first video, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all boys how to make stack jeans. This is the drip. I'm putting y'all onto the drip. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get all this. All right, bro. These jeans really easy to make. I made my first pair like 2 days ago. I'm gonna put a video right here. How they look, how they turn out. Bro, so what you gonna need is you're gonna need 2 pairs of jeans. These look two identical pair of jeans. If you got a pair with rips in it, these jeans that you gotta stack. These jeans you gotta cut. So what you're gonna need is some scissors. If you got some blue jeans, you can get a marker to mark it. Then you're gonna need some needles and threads. Let me check it out for y'all. You'll need some thread, some needles. I'm showing you how to do this with no sewing machine. I recently bought this sewing machine, but it don't work. So don't get that if you're trying to make stack jeans. Get a real sewing machine. So this is what you need. All right, so what you wanna do is you wanna try to get your jeans as flat as possible. So you cut them, they'll be lined up. So then get your scissors, and then you cut about right here. You can always cut over it again though. You should only have the bottom half of your pants like this. And then to do the other leg, just scoot it over. And then you can just lay this part, line this part up so you can cut it. And then just overlap the one that you just cut with the one you're about to cut. And then cut it, do the same thing to the other leg. And then you just have this left. And I'll get back to y'all with the next step. What you wanna do now is you wanna get the piece that you just cut, and you wanna flip it inside out. And then you wanna do that to both legs. So that's how they'll look when they're inside out. And you do it again to the other one. And then once you do that, you want to match up the 2 ankle parts. So like I match up this part with this part in this pants leg, so it'll look like that. So what you do is you just put these on top of those. I can show y'all. And you want to make sure that your jeans are lined up. My first pair, I did good on them, but I didn't really line them up. But you can't really tell. I'm gonna insert the video of my first pair. You see, like, this is too long. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna cut this again. Make sure y'all can see. Yeah, y'all can see good. So now what you want to do is you want to make sure the little lines right here, you want to make sure they lined up with the part that you cut, so your jeans don't look dumb. You want to just pull these on top of these. thing I forgot to tell y'all, make sure if you're doing skinny jeans, make sure the jeans aren't too tight. So, because once you sew it, the ankle part's gonna get tight. But what you wanna do is when you gotta flip over, you wanna line up. You wanna line up the ankle parts. You wanna line these up because you're gonna sew these together. And then I'm gonna get to y'all when it's time to sew. You wanna make sure you grab both of these together. Make sure they lined up. And you wanna sew below this line right here. Because if you go anywhere down here, you're gonna see it in your jeans. So you wanna go in, and then you go back up, and then you pull all the way through. And then you just do that all around. I'm gonna speed this up so y'all know how to see it, but I'm gonna show you one more time. You go in, come back up, pull through. Make sure you pull all the way through. Now that I'm done sewing, move this needle. Now that I'm done sewing, you gotta do is pull this part of the pants down, flip it back normal. See, mine look like a two-tone, but who cares? People make two-tones all the time, so. When you're done sewing, your jeans should look like this.
Okay, bye.